Assalamu alaikum guys and welcome back to Tabir Academy, and today we are starting off with homeostasis, right? So homeostasis hota kya hai? It is the maintenance of a constant internal environment of the body. अब इंटरनल environment क्या होती है? इसमें आपके सारे इंटरनल organs आ जाते हैं, ठीक है ना। अब सारे इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स या बॉडी पार्ट्स को बॉडी फ्लूइड्स भी जा रहे होते हैं, लाइक ब्लड एंड टिश्यू फ्लूइड्स, ठीक है ना। सो ये भी इसमें आ जाता है। सो द इंटरनल environment मीन्स बॉडी फ्लूइड्स विच इंक्लूड ब्लड एंड टिश्यू फ्लूइड्स, एंड देन ऑन अ लार्जर स्केल अगर हम माइक्रोस्कोपिकली देखें तो द internal organs and the systems. So why should it be kept constant? So once the internal environment is constant, the body can perform its functions more efficiently. And the changes in the external environment must not affect the internal conditions. And if they do so, they should be neutralized. Neutralized kya hona chahiye? The changes that are occurring, they need to be neutralized. So there are certain coordination systems in the body that help maintain homeostasis, and they work simultaneously, ठीक है ना। Like the nervous system जो कि basically is regarding all the information that is transmitted through nerve impulses, and then you have the endocrine system which is regarding all the hormones that travel within the blood in the form of long distance signaling. तो homeostasis control क्या होता है? It is an automatic corrective mechanism to nullify the change in internal conditions, and the disturbance in the internal environment results in the occurrence of homeostatic control. मतलब अगर आपकी internal environment में कोई disturbance आती है तब आपका homeostatic control trigger होता है. So the disturbance is in the form of a stimulus, and the stimulus is being detected by the receptors.